right, people, here we go. I'm gonna do a pretty difficult problem so that when you look at all, because I want to show you a lot of steps to do this stuff over and over, so that when you do a simpler problem, it'll be easier. So we're gonna start with this one. The first thing I like to do is separate the left side from the right side. Left side, right side, all right? So our goal and our mission for every problem is to get the variable by itself. So we want to end up with something that says x equals. That's our mission. So there's too much going on here before we get to this. So anything you want to do, you want to make sure that you're doing the inverse. So the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. The inverse of subtraction is addition. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. And then for future references, the inverse operation of squared or something squared is the square root of. Okay? So knowing the inverse, then you can start eliminating things from whichever side has the variable or the x, okay? So that's what we want to end up doing. So let's go. So what we need to do first is simplify here, or do the distributive property. So that's this times that. Anytime you have this, there's nothing in between that and the parentheses, that means times. So we're multiplying everything inside the parentheses. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times, plus 2 times 4 is 8. Then we bring down to minus 5 equals, we bring down to 2x plus, and then 3. So far, so good. All right, let's keep going. So now here, we're going to simplify. The 2x is connected, so we're going to deal with these two right here. These are like terms, the 8 and the 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we have 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. Now, if you look at it right now, they're actually the same thing. So 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. You're really saying that both sides are equal. We have a balanced equation, which means no matter what you put in here is going to work for x. But let's just keep going until we finish. So we have, this is connected to the x, so we're going to save that for last, and we're going to get rid of this plus 3. The inverse operation of plus 3 is minus 3, as we said earlier. So minus 3 on both sides. So we have 2x is equal to 2x, because positive 3 minus 3 is 0. Positive 3 minus 3 is 0. We still have the same thing equal to the same thing, which means anything you choose will work. So now at this point, this says 2 times x. That's times 2. So you do the opposite, or the inverse of times 2, which is divided by 2. Very good. So divide 2 both sides, and we're left with x equals x, which means no matter what you choose will work. It will always work. I don't care what number you choose. Pick any number, it'll work. Oh, 7. 7 equals 7. 29. 29 equals 29. A billion. 1 billion equals 1 billion. All right? That's a wrap. So at this point, that means all real numbers will work. So our answer is actually all real numbers. All right, there it is.